Hello, today in our first grade class, we'll be practicing comparing numbers, okay? So today's objective is, by the end of the lesson, students will be able to compare two numbers using these symbols greater, less than, or equal to. The first thing we need to go over is what comparing actually means. Does anyone know what it means to compare two numbers? Yes. Compare means to see if one number is the same, smaller than, or bigger than another number. Now, can someone tell me if 1 or 2 is a bigger number? That is correct. 2 is bigger than 1. Now, can someone tell me if 100 is greater than or less than 30? Yes, 100 is definitely bigger than 30. Now, what if you're trying to see which number is higher and the numbers that you were given are 20 and 20? Is 20 greater than 20? Is 20 less than 20? Now, since 20 and 20 are the same number, they are considered equal to each other. Now, when comparing numbers, we use 3 symbols. A symbol is a marker character used to represent something. The 3 symbols we are going to be using today are the greater than, less than, or equal to sign. Now, to help you out, what we want to do is pretend that the greater than sign is an alligator's mouth, okay? And the alligator is always going to want to eat that bigger number, because it's more, so it's like he's eating more food, all right? So, now that we went over the symbols and how to compare numbers, let's go over some examples as a class. So the first thing I want to show y'all is the greater than sign. Okay, so this is the greater than sign. And the next symbol we have is the less than sign, which is going to be that. And the third and final sign that we have to compare numbers is the equal to sign. Okay, so let's say that we have the numbers 10 and 20. So what number would we want to, so what number would the alligator want to eat right here? That is correct. Since 20 is a higher number than 10, then we would do the alligator mouth to the 20. So how would we read this? That is correct. 10 is less than 20. All right, let's do another example. So what if we have the number 97 and the number 25? What number would the alligator want to eat? Now remember to think which number is bigger, because that's the one the alligator wants to eat. And that is correct. The number that the alligator wants to eat is 97. So how would we read this? We'd read it, 97 is greater than 25. Okay? So let's say we have the number 11 and 11. So would the alligator eat the 11 on the left or the 11 on the right? That is correct. 11 are the same numbers. So what symbol would we use? Greater than, less than, or equal to? Correct. Since they are the same number, 11 is equal to 11. So let's try a little harder one. What if we have the number 65 and 56? Which number is greater and which one would the alligator want to eat? That's correct. 65 is greater than 56. And the way we can look at this is the number on the left, since 6 is greater than the 5, that means that 65 is greater than 56. So what symbol would we use? Would we use the greater than sign, less than sign, or equal to sign? That is correct. We would use the greater than sign because 65 is greater than 56. Now we're going to go over a couple more, and then after that we will have a little handout that y'all will do. So let's go over about 2 more and see if we got the hang of this before the handout. So what if we have the number 71 and 99? Which number would the alligator want to eat? Okay, yes, since 99 is greater than 71, the alligator's mouth would go toward the 99. So how would we read this? That is correct. 71 is less than 99. Okay, now let's go over one more. Let's go 83 and 62. So which one would the alligator want to eat here? That is correct. Since 83 is bigger, the alligator's mouth will go toward the 83. So we'd read this as 83 is greater than 62. Now that we have went over some examples, does anybody have any questions before I give the handout? Okay, now I will just hand that out.